The future of banking is changing thanks to companies like Current. And that's exactly what I'm going to talk about in this video. I'm going to go over everything you must know about the Current banking app and the debit card. And if you stay tuned until the end of the video, I will give you my biased opinion on all of this. By the way, my name's Thiago. Let's get into this video. Rather than a bank, Current is a financial technology company, meaning rather than having a brick or mortar location, Current is located online. And of course, this comes with some pros and cons. So let's take a look at a brief history of Current. The company was founded by Stuart Saw, who worked years in trading financial systems. Current has also raised over $400 million year to date, of which some notable investors include the infamous Mr. Beast. Now, because this is a fintech company, its banking systems is operated through Choice Financial Group and Metropolitan Commercial Bank. Now, because of this, there is some good news. Your money will be insured by the FDIC. Now, let's talk about the platform. Now, the platform is extremely easy to use, very intuitive, and you can sign up in as little as 2 minutes. Now, Current does promote its savings pods, which is another fancy name for savings accounts. Each saving pod that you do have can earn up to 4% APY. Now, there is a limit. Now, you can earn interest on up to $2,000 per pod or $6,000 total. Now, if you're looking for bigger gains on more money, you might want to look somewhere else. Now, you can earn compound interest on your money. So if your money earns interest, you can earn money on that interest also. But remember, that's only up to $2,000. Now with Current, because it is online, you do have 24/7 access to your money. Now, saving pods are kind of cool. You can use these savings pods for your savings goals. Now, let's say you want to buy a car. You can actually name your pod saving for a car, and you can actually add a picture as well so that you get incentivized to save for that. Now, the cool thing about this pod is you can either transfer money manually or you can automate your pods so that every time you get paid, the money's transferred automatically. Now, another perk of using the Current app is the direct deposit. You can get your money up to 2 days earlier when you sign up for direct deposit. So if you're in a pinch and you need your money sooner, you can do this through Current. Literally, all you have to do is once you're signed up with Current and you sign up for the direct deposit, Current will automatically confirm your payment with your employer and they'll credit your account for that amount 2 days earlier. Now, another cool feature of Current is their Overdrive feature. Now, this feature helps users get away from those pesky overdraft fees. Now, Current will not charge you overdraft fees on up to $200. All you have to do is sign up for direct deposit and make sure that you get a deposit of at least over $500. Now, the app will also track how much money you are overdraft on, and it will actually alert you and show you on how much money you owe so that you can repay that. Now, this is a financial channel, so I hope my peeps out there are not getting any overdraft fees, or this might just be the app for you. Now, the great thing about Current is that there is no fees. There's no minimum balance fees, no hidden fees, no overdraft fees, no in-network ATM withdrawal fees, and no instant transfer fees. They are truly trying to revolutionize the banking world. So if you guys hate fees, again, this might just be the app for you. Now, if you're thinking about withdrawing money, you no longer need to be scared because Current actually partners with over 40,000 ATMs nationwide that charges you no withdrawal fees. Now, if you need to withdraw money right now, literally all you do is you open your app and you check out which ATMs near you don't charge fees and drive to the closest one. Now, if you have children and if you're looking for a great bank account for your teen, or if you're a teen and if you're looking for a great bank account, this might just be the banking app for you. With Current, you can easily transfer money to your teens, whether they just need money to pay for something or if you're just giving them allowance. The awesome thing about this app is you can actually track where teens are spending their money, and you can also block certain merchants and block them from making any outrageous purchases. Now, this is great for teens because it gives them their own debit card. They can use it wherever Visa is accepted. They can learn to spend and manage their budgets. It helps them learn good financial habits, and it gives them easy access to money. Now, this also has so many benefits for parents, but it just gamifies the whole experience between you and your kids, and it actually incentivizes them to learn about banking, finances, and managing their money. Now, with this app, you also get peace of mind with security features such as EMV chips, privacy controls, fingerprint and facial recognition, and 24/7 support. Honestly, setting up an account with Current is way easier than setting up an account with most major banks. Now, let's dive in and talk about the Current debit card. Now, Current offers a very nice and sleek modern design card for their members, and I'm waiting for mine in the mail, or else I would show it to you guys. Now, Current does partner with over 14,000 different merchants, of which most of them do not offer 15 times points back, but a few do offer that reward. So make sure to look at the app before you make that purchase. Once you do earn points, you can redeem those points for cash, or you can head to the point shop and spend your money on whichever items they have available. Now, what's my take on this app? Now, because the app is free, I went ahead and downloaded the app just for the experience and to make this video. But I did notice that the app is very easy to use. It's intuitive, but it's also very simple, and it does target the younger demographic. Even though a lot of influencers do promote this app, I personally wouldn't use it. However, if I did have kids in the future, it would be something that I would consider using between me and them, just to help them budget their money. Now, I am going to make a video going over the best bank accounts for 2022, and that's going to be my personal opinion. So make sure you guys subscribe if you guys are interested in learning about which banks, in my opinion, are the best ones to sign up for. Now, I want to know what you guys think about this app. Are you guys currently using the app? Get it? No? It wasn't a good joke, sorry guys. Or are you guys thinking about getting the app? Do you guys hate the app? I want to know everything you guys think about this app. Is there something I didn't mention? Let me know in the comment down below, because I am down to learn as well. Also, if you guys want to show me some support, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and every time I release a new video, you guys will be the first ones to know. By the way, I made an amazing video going over everything you must know about the M1 financing app, which is the app that I'm currently using to invest in the stock market. So if you guys want to check out this video and learn about M1 financing, make sure to hit that video on the screen. Hey guys, it's been great. Till next time.